Jardín Ollin, jardín is the Spanish word for garden, and then Ollin is the Nahuatl word meaning energy and movement. And so we see this space, and as a department, we voted together to call it Jardín Ollin, Garden of Chicanx Culture and Wisdom, really keeping that movement of dynamism, of like vibrancy, planting seeds together, sharing stories, using the garden space that's here around me in front that you see, and then also the kitchen inside of the casita, our library of both seeds and books, and then our theater space in the backyard that kind of all come together and that are held really by the consciousness, the Chicanx consciousness that we grow here at the casita. Joe and I describe the project as a living, breathing thing that we want people to bring their ideas to the space from all of these different departments on campus, like art and ecology, psychology, sociology, anthropology, engineers we've hosted. And so really just giving them the space to be creative about how they make links between their work, their studies, and then this space and, you know, our conversations around seeds, around food justice, and then just learning from the plants. And I think we also just try to emphasize that it's fun. It's a fun space on campus. It's beautiful to just come and hang out here and to meet people. So when we have events and gather folks, I think also that's another thing that we share with people is it's just a good way to like make friends.
Well, our emphasis at Jardín Ollin is on sustainability, regenerative studies, and community engagement. And so those are the learning outcomes that we hope students get to experience from a learn by doing approach, by actually planting, harvesting, preparing the food that they grow, and sharing a meal together. So the whole cycle of life in a way.
We very much see this space as, you know, we're helping to steward it, but it's not ours, and it really is made, or like it comes alive through people's interaction with the space. And so just inviting people to please come hang out. It's actually very new that we are an official stop on the campus Arboretum tour. We have a pomegranate tree here, which Jardín Ollin is so lucky to have inherited. We didn't plant that tree, but we get to enjoy the fruits. And so yeah, just stop by, take that tour, and come say hello.